Okay, so for my badge 1, I decided to do it on Google Docs. And so first, I'm going to go to Insert, Table, and for mine, I'm going to make a table showing, so since I'm doing nutrition, maybe I would show 2 different classrooms and how much activity they get per day. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do a 3x3, and I'm going to title it Activity by Class. So this one will maybe say like Miss class. Wait, I'm gonna move this down and then title this class, and then and this one is Miss Jamie's class. And so this one I'm gonna say maybe like outside activity. This one is going to say indoor and so this one I'm going to say maybe they average maybe it was like 42 minutes, and maybe this one was average of 29 minutes. Indoor activity, let's say it averages at 30 minutes, and maybe this one averages at, I don't know, maybe 77 minutes. Doesn't matter what the numbers are, just kind of whatever. And so I think this will be helpful on my blog just because I'll be able to do tables like this with maybe real life information or information I find online.